Hello everyone, if you want to edit text inside a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, here is how you can do it step by step. First open the Adobe Acrobat from your computer, and once you land on the home page, you have two options. You can just either move the cursor towards the create option given at the top left corner, then simply tap on create a PDF in order to create a new PDF, or you can just tap on the open files to open the file within your PC. But if you have already opened the PDF or project within the application, you can just scroll down to the recent section and tap on any project that you want. Once you tap on it, it will open the PDF within the application. Now you will see different options within the all tools section at the left side of the screen. Make sure to move the cursor towards the edit of PDF and tap on it. It is important to note that the edit PDF feature is only available for the Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription account, so it is not available in the free reader version. But if you have already paid and once you tap on edit a PDF, Acrobat will automatically detect the text and make it editable. Now simply click directly on the text that you want to change. You can just delete the words, add new text as well as correct spelling in just like you do in a Word document. You will also see formatting option in the right side where you can change the font size, colors, alignment or spacing. If you want to add new text, click on the area where you want to paste it and then start typing. After making all the changes, go to the file, then click on save or save as to keep the updated version of your PDF, and that's it. That's how you can edit text in the PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.